Hi guys, this is my first time ever using a screen recording, so bear with me, I'm super excited. And today we are going to be talking about Google Slides and how we can create our own Google Slides. We're just going to do a quick and easy tutorial. It's not going to be too complicated, we're not going to get into great detail. The more you explore Google Slides, the better. But today we're going to do just like a little quick tutorial. So first thing you need to do is you need to go to your Google homepage. This is what mine looks like. I am on a MacBook, so everyone's computer is going to look different. But if you're on a Mac, it should look kind of similar to this or just however you have your MacBook set up. The easiest way for me to get to Google Slides is just literally by typing Google Slides in the search bar. When you do that, this will come up, and then all you need to do is just press to go to Slides. Now, in order to do this, you do need to have a Google account. So as you can see up here, this is my Google account. I have multiple accounts just because of going to different schools and all of that jazz. So make sure that you have a Google account because you will not be able to do Google Slides if you do not have a Google account. So as you can see, these are all the Google Slides I have made in the past, but we are going to create a new one today. So this is what's going to come up on your Google Slides. It's going to pop up here with different themes that you can choose from. You can create your own or you can choose one from here. I like to choose one from over here just because it already has it set up for me and I just need to type and add pictures. So it definitely can be a lot easier than making your own, but that's completely up to you guys what you want to do, whatever's easiest for you. I love this one because it has the color pink and I love the color pink. So we are going to choose this one. As you can see, there are these white lines right here. These are going to be your text box. That's where you can put in any text. So on mine, let's put welcome to Google Slides. And as you can see, it just pops up right here. You can change the size of it. You can go like this and highlight. Change the size up here if you want it smaller, bigger, whatever you guys want to do. There's just so many different things. You can change the font on it if you don't like that font. Maybe you want it in something a little more fancy. There's so many different options for you guys to explore. Now, if you want to add more slides, sorry, my thing didn't want to scoot over. You're going to go up to the top and press that plus sign. When you press that plus sign, it's going to have you add more slides. You can add as many slides as you want, and then you can add pictures. If you want to add pictures, all you're going to do is go to insert right here, image. It'll ask you where you want to insert your image from. You can do it from your computer if you have like a family photo or a personal photo you want to upload on there. You would do that from your computer. Or you can search the web and you can look up a photo and insert it. There are many things that you can do on Google Slides. There's many things that you can change. You can change your slide format, your background colors, all sorts of different things. Make transitions, so when you move on to the next slide, it'll have a really funky transition that you can put in there. It really depends what you guys are trying to do. As we are going along in the year, we will learn more about Google Slides. It can be very complicated to begin with if you've never used it before, but we will definitely get better at using it. But this is just kind of the basics that we're going to focus on right now.